Greetings from Spaghetti di Portopiccolo, this amazing but yet spooky beach resort. It is 15th of October 2025, currently 2:30 p.m. and I was walking along this whole beachfront here at Portopiccolo, which seems like a luxurious city and resort that's up on the hill, and then you need to walk around to get there. At this point, I'm not sure if I'm even allowed to be here, but there was no sign that is forbidden to come here. And actually, I was coming here to visit first the nudist beach that's just around the corner, and there were some people there that I guess are locals that live up the hill, because there is another city called Sistiana up on the hill. But this one looks quite amazing, I would say, for a beautiful pebble beach with beautiful crystal clear sea. This is amazing. I'm not really sure why there is nobody here. There were actually a lot more people on the nudist beach that's located just 500 meters away from here in that direction. So check out that episode as well. But this whole beachfront over here, maybe it's popular in summer, I have no idea. But there is beach bar and everything. I saw there is another beach on the other end of the port of Portopiccolo, and I saw people over there, and that's where I'm heading to next. So yes, beach adventures with Chris. We are in Trieste, or actually the outskirts of Trieste, as right now I may be closer to the airport than the city of Trieste now that I think of. Yeah, we can actually stop here on the top of the mountain with the bus G51 and then go here and visit this place. If you're flying to or from Trieste and want a nice beach, then this is the one for sure. Now, I'm not really sure how is it here in summer, but in October there is nobody here. It's insane. And yeah, today is my 5th and last day of my trip now. That included both Italy, Croatia and Slovenia. The majority of the time I was in Slovenia for 3 days, and then in Italy the first and the last day, plus Croatia 1 day. It's actually 5 days, but then it's then overlapping the days in between the countries as well. It is 21 degrees Celsius in the sea and 20 degrees Celsius in the air, which means it's time for a swim in the sea, Adriatic Sea. I have a little bit of pain in my foot. I need to check if I have some thing inside. It's not good. And I wonder what hit it I got inside my foot. But yeah, now we have only 6 hours left until my flight, which means I need to also get to the airport, which is not that far, around 30 minutes by the bus, which I will take on the top of the hill. You can see those houses in the end, in the middle there. And I have shown you also at the beginning of this video the port and the houses of Portopiccolo. Very spooky vibes I get, because I was expecting people to be here, but yeah. But in Trieste, the city, it was super crowded. It was also port day for the Norwegian Pearl that I saw yesterday departing from Koper, Slovenia. So, and from Koper to Slovenia to Trieste, it's only half an hour by bus. So it was unnecessary for the ferry to go around, but it carries thousands of passengers, so it will be hard to find transport for all of them to Trieste. Look at the water. I mean, this is insane how beautiful it is. So I will be definitely taking a longer swim after this episode and after this dip first that I usually do in my beach adventures. So I'm so happy right now that I am going in for a swim in the Adriatic Sea in Italia. So already set, and go! Oh my, this is amazing. I can imagine a lot of sunbeds here during the summer. I'm just wondering why they are not having this open now for in the winter. I guess there are lots of tourists from the northern countries that like this climate. I mean, for me, this is a technically summer, so I'm not really sure what is going on here. Something is strange, but yeah. And there are these type of beaches, like 6 or 7, and all of them were empty. So yeah, okay, now it's time for me to enjoy a swim here in Portopiccolo Beach in Italia. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!